Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from March's Boxycharm. As you all know by now, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription where you receive 5 full-size beauty products for only $25 a month. This month's theme is Lucky for St. Patrick's Day. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, the Beauty Crop Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask, KAB Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil, Maven Beauty Rosewater Setting Spray, and the Lime Crime Venus 3 Eyeshadow Palette. Now that we've unboxed it, let's create a look with the products inside. First, let's do some skincare and apply the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. This is the most expensive product in the box this month for $39. I actually received this in an Ipsy a couple months ago, and it is really lightweight and hydrating, so I have been using it ever since, and I do like it a lot. Next, I'm applying the Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. It comes in a pack of 3 for $18. So I was expecting them to look like little avocados, but they just look like the traditional eye patch. However, they are infused with avocado as well as green tea, so that helps to hydrate and depuff tired eyes, which is definitely beneficial for me. Alright, so while we have these eye patches on, let's go ahead and test out the KAB Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil. It smells amazing. It's so hydrating and it's not sticky at all. Now that we've tried out all of the skincare products, I want to put on some makeup, so I'll be right back to test out the remaining 2 products. Now that I've done that, I'm going to be setting my face with the Maven Beauty Rosewater Setting Spray. This is supposed to lock in your look and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. So first impressions, I really like the sprayer. It actually covers the face really nicely and doesn't leave any sort of water droplets. It also looks very dewy and healthy on the skin, so I'm really liking this one and I'm looking forward to testing it out some more. Finally, it's time to try the Venus 3 Eyeshadow Palette by Lime Crime. I'm so excited to try this one because I've never tried anything by Lime Crime before. The first thing I noticed is that it is a pretty bulky palette, which is not too desirable, but let's not judge a book by its cover. How about we swatch a few shades? Wow, these are like butter, and the shimmers are absolutely stunning. I'm beginning by dipping my brush into the shade called Ecstasy, which is the darkest matte in the palette. I'm applying this into my outer V and crease. I'm also placing this right against the tape, so that I'll have a sharp line once I'm done. The shade is really pigmented and buildable, so it's going good so far. I'm also applying this to my lower lash line as well. Now I'm picking up the pink shade called Dreamy. I'm sweeping this along the upper edge of what we just applied to blend it out. These 2 colors really complement each other and they blend really well. Now I'm adding that to my lower lash line. Finally, I'm dipping into the shade called Heavenly, and I'm applying this to my lid. It's so stunning. Here's the finished look using products from March's Boxycharm. Let me know what you think of the look in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.